raining, and I went for a run. I didn't know it was raining, and then I got halfway through my neighborhood where I couldn't turn around, and it started like raining a little harder. Now I'm almost home, and it's still kind of raining a little bit due to my glasses. But Lord have mercy, I'm dying over here. My legs are on fire. I tried to call my sister a few minutes ago. She didn't answer to come pick me up, and I'm dying, y'all. I'm dying. This is rough. Training for jiu-jitsu, running 3 times a day. It's crazy. If you're ever committed to any sport like this, stay committed. Please, stay committed. It's rough, but do it. I'm almost home, so yeah, it's raining really bad. Have a good day, y'all. Try not to do anything stupid.